In this week's financial news, we've seen a historic milestone in gold prices. Yes, folks, you heard it right. The Saigon Jewelry Company's gold ring has now hit a new high of 72.1 million Vietnamese dong, or $2,883.65 per tael. This development signifies an uptick of 0.77%. But it's not just gold rings that are breaking records. The price of gold bars has also seen a dramatic increase, with a rise of 0.62%, hitting an unprecedented 81.6 million Vietnamese dong per tael. For those unfamiliar, a tael is a traditional Asian unit of weight, equivalent to 37.5 grams or around 1.2 ounces. Whether you're a gold ring enthusiast or a gold bar investor, it's evident that the golden era is still very much alive in 2024. As we see, both gold rings and gold bars have seen a significant surge in their value over the week. Stay tuned for more updates on this golden trend in the coming days. But it's not just here. Gold prices are rallying to record highs worldwide. It's a golden age, if you will, for this precious metal. This global rally in gold prices reached a record crescendo last Thursday. But what's causing this, you might ask? Well, it's a combination of factors, all of which are contributing to this gold rush. One of the major players is the Federal Reserve officials. They've been hinting at something that's got gold prices on the move: interest rate cuts in 2024. However, the timing of these cuts remains shrouded in mystery, adding an element of suspense to the gold market. You see, lower interest rates generally boost gold prices. That's because when rates are low, the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding bullion becomes less. In simpler terms, when you're not making much from your bank savings due to low interest rates, it makes more sense to invest in gold. But that's not all. There's another key player in this golden saga: traders. They're keenly awaiting key U.S. jobs data. This data can influence the Federal Reserve's decisions and, in turn, the future of gold prices. So the anticipation of this data is adding fuel to the gold rally fire. Now let's talk numbers. Spot gold, the price at which gold can be bought or sold for immediate delivery, was holding steady at $2,299.28 per ounce. And earlier in the session, it hit a record high of $2,304.09. What's more, this isn't a one-time thing. Bullion, another term for gold bars, has been hitting record highs in each session since last week's Thursday. It's like a symphony, with each note reaching higher than the last, creating a crescendo in gold prices worldwide. Gold's global rally is something to keep an eye on, with spot gold hitting steady rates and record highs. So whether you're a gold enthusiast, an investor, or just someone who appreciates the value of this precious metal, this golden age is worth watching. And there's more. U.S. gold futures are also making an impact. Let's talk about U.S. gold futures for a moment. Just recently, they've seen a gain of 0.2%, taking their value to $2,318.70. That's quite a leap, isn't it? Bullion, the gold and silver that is officially recognized as being at least 99.5% pure and is in the form of bars or ingots rather than coins, has been hitting record highs in every single session since last week. Thursday seems to be the golden day, doesn't it? But what does this mean for the overall gold market? How does the rise in U.S. gold futures impact it? Well, futures are financial contracts obligating the buyer to purchase an asset, or the seller to sell an asset, at a predetermined future date and price. In this case, the asset is gold. These contracts detail the quality and quantity of the underlying asset, and they are standardized to facilitate trading on a futures exchange. When futures prices increase, it's an indication that the demand for gold is expected to be high in the future. This can lead to an increase in spot prices, which are the prices at which gold can be bought or sold for immediate delivery. In other words, the rise in U.S. gold futures can stimulate an overall upward trend in the gold market. This upward trend in gold prices can have a variety of effects. For investors, it could mean profitable opportunities. For central banks, it could mean adjusting their foreign reserves. And for you and me, it could mean the jewelry we buy might become more expensive. So, while we may not directly deal with gold futures in our everyday lives, they do have an indirect impact on us. They are a part of a complex financial system that influences the price of the gold ring you might be wearing right now. With U.S. gold futures on the rise, we're seeing a new era of gold prices that is truly unprecedented.